Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to have a look at Bitcoin, how Bitcoin is performing today. As we know, Bitcoin is when it comes to the crypto market, Bitcoin is the top coin of all, and it is also among the trending coins of the day. It has always been trending, and it has remained like that. Okay, so this here is, you can see how Bitcoin is performing today in the market. You can see that the market cap of Bitcoin is up by 0.36. Okay, this is 0.36%. That's the market cap. It is up by 0.36%, and the volume of trade is down by 15.53%. That is for Bitcoin. And as you can see the top Bitcoin price is up by 36%. That is how Bitcoin is performing. So right now, we want you to have a mindset of a billionaire. We want you to see how you watch your money grow, how you make it, how billionaires are making it in life. Watching this to the end gives you a mindset of making a decision to be a billionaire. So you can see Bitcoin again already is up by 0.63%. That's the price of Bitcoin, up by 0. It continues to go up, climbing. Let's watch it for some few minutes and see how it will perform. So let's watch. Wow, you can see it's going up again. You can see the upward movement of the candlestick. The price is up by 0.64% again. Let's continue to watch. Wow, we can see it has gone up again. It has reached, you can see going up. It's now 0.65%. It's up by 0.65%. Wow, continues to go, climbing. Right now I can tell some people are making money right now. Some people are making money. So this is the performance of Bitcoin today, as of today. One of the trending coins in the crypto market today. We always bring you the trending coins. So if you have not subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our trending coins, the latest trending coins. We want you to make money. We want you to have every information with you. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, give us a like if you like this video. We always bring you the best. I want you to have a mindset of a millionaire. Wow, we can see Bitcoin is up by 0.71%. It continues to climb, going up. Some people are making money right now. Imagine how much people are making now. The price of one Bitcoin is $19,989. That's the price of one Bitcoin. You see, it continues to go up. It's climbing. Now it's up by 0.71%. So that's how Bitcoin is performing today. So we'll end the video here and we'll bring you more. Thank you.